top 3 tips. Number 1 and most important, use these things. Use your ears. You know, an interview, yes, you can have a plan and you can have an idea of where you want it to go, but in the end you have to listen. Listen to what the guest is saying, because it may not be what you expected, and you have to stay sharp, you have to stay tuned in, and you really, really have to listen. Number 2, never lose your temper. You know, do not become personally invested to the point where you're becoming indignant, or still worse, lose your temper. That is not the way an interview should be conducted. And number 3, going back to something we discussed earlier, be respectful. Respectful of your guest and respectful of your audience. I really believe in our Hard Talk audience. I think they're intelligent people who want intelligent, well-researched, prepared conversation. So those 3 elements, listening, not losing your temper, being respectful, they're all important.